Hi there, I am here with a lesson about few common mistakes that we occur in our English communication when we use few words which are same in the sound and pronunciation but they are different in their spellings. Alright, let's take the words. The first word is there and there. Sound is same. You can listen the same sound. This is also there, this is also there. But जब हम meaning की बात करते हैं, then THEIR, which is different in their spellings. So this there is group of people. Let's take an example. मैं उनके ऑफिस गई थी. I went to their office. उनके means group of the people. There are few people for whom I am using the word there. Okay? So I went to their office. वहाँ मैं मेरे फ्रेंड से मिली. That वहाँ is there I met my friend. So the place जो मैं indicate कर रही हूँ किस word के through? There. THERE. So this is about the place I am indicating and this is about the group of the people I am indicating. Very error word. Don't commit mistake. Now peace and peace. Both are again same in the sound. This word which is a spelling PIECE, piece of paper, piece of cloth. So this is टुकड़े टुकड़े कर देना किसी चीज के. That is piece of your heart. I guess not. So this piece has a different meaning. And PEACE, let me live peacefully. Kindly spread peace in the world. कि दुनिया में शांति बनाए रखे या मुझे शांति से जीने दे. So this word defines that meaning. Another one is throw and through. It's bit different. बहुत small सा difference है. Last word के pronunciation में this word is throw. O. The last sound is coming O. And here what I am saying through. The last sound is U. But in a flow we are not able to differentiate exactly. So throw means I throw all the useless paper in dustbin. I throw all the crap from my house. So throw means फेंक देना, right? And through, I am going through a tough time in my life. मैं मेरे life में बहुत ही tough time से गुजर रही हूँ. So this here describes a duration or period of time. So duration is through and through is फेंक देना. Fair and fair, R is bit silent in sound. FAIR and FARE. FAIR means what? That is, I have a fair complexion. Last day I went to a fair. So this is about your face complexion and this is the same fair, that is Mela wala fair. That is where lots of activities and carnivals go on. So this fair also means that. And this fair, how much fare do you pay in bus when you go to college every day? आप कितना किराया देते हो अपने बस में जब आप रोज ट्रैवल करते हो अपने कॉलेज के लिए? So this fare is about that fare. RAISE, raise. RAYS, again raise. This raise is what? This is lifting up something. Like we say, raise your spirit. अपनी spirit को बढ़ाओ, which is an inner feeling. Give a raise to the bike. कहते हैं ना बाइक में रेस दो when it's not starting. Give a raise to your car. It means किसी चीज को increase करना, lift up करना और बढ़ाना. So this raise is that one raise. RAYS raise, rays of the sun. This is that rays. Okay, सूरज की किरणें. So RAYS describes that rays. Here we come at root and root. ROOT, root. Root of a plant, root of a tree. I am deep rooted with my culture. So this root, understood? किसी plant का root, किसी tree का root. I am deep rooted with my culture means I am associated with my culture. मैं मेरी संस्कृति से बहुत अच्छी तरीके से जुड़ी हुई हूँ. जैसे कोई plant या tree जुड़ा होता है अर्थ से with its roots inside. So this root is that root. ये रूट कहाँ को जा रहा है? That means ये रास्ता कहाँ को जा रहा है? We ask ना lots of time we use this word route. So spelling is R-O-U-T-E and meaning is also the way. Not and not. हम बोलते तो बहुत है कि मेरी टाई का नॉट ठीक कर दो. Very common word we used to use. That is K-N-O-T not. ठीक है? And that is in positive sense कि मेरी टाई का नॉट ठीक कर दो. But मेरे नेकलेस में नॉट आ गया है, गांठ पड़ गई है. उस स्ट्रिंग में नॉट पड़ गई है. That is again गांठ पड़ गई है. So that knot is K-N-O-T. And the same pronunciation, the same sound spells N-O-T. No, I'm not going to my friend's home. I'm not going at his birthday. I'm not meeting you on next Friday. So that is what? N-O-T. Got it? When you are denying something, when you are saying no to something, वो not N-O-T है. Again, a most error word. हर कोई ये word लिखते समय कौन सा वाला weak लिखना है? What is the spelling of weak here? Weak and weak. Every time when we feel dull and low in energy, what we say? मैं बहुत weak feel कर रही हूँ. All right? We use this word. But once it comes to the writing, we ask कौन सा वाला weak है? Because we already know there is another week which has 7 days. Correct? So the confusion spelling, but further we should not, because W-E-A-K is low in energy wala week, means kamzori wala week, and the week which has 7 days, that is W-E-E-K, which is एक सप्ताह में 7 दिन होते हैं. A week has 7 days. C. The pronunciation is A-B-C wala C. Okay? Both are same in their sound. This C means where lots of rivers come and get together. Samudra. S-E-A. And this C, what I am seeing. Okay? देखने को कहते हैं C. So S-E-E is that C. Right? Right? Alright. R-I-G-S-T means something is correct. कुछ सही होना is R-I-G-S-T. That one right? And I am writing so many words for you means this right. लिखने वाला right is W-R-I-T-E. The differentiation is R-I-G-S-T and W-R-I-T-E. So these are the few words that we commit as a mistake when we write. This one right, okay? Never commit it further. Do memorize it. Bye-bye.